Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member safe at home. So I hope you are enjoying my online classes. In this Corona crisis, we are providing online classes. So in the previous classes, I have discussed the food. Where does it come from, or the source of food? Okay. So the source of food are two types. One is the plant, another is the animals. Yes or no? So in that chapter I have discussed the food, where does it come from, and ingredient, what are the food. Yes or no? So this is your second chapter. So today I am going to discuss the component of a food. Okay. So second chapter, class 6. Okay. Class 6 chapter. So what component of a food? Component of food. Okay. So component of food. Yes or no? So in previous classes I have discussed food play important role in your life, because from the food we get energy. Okay. From due to the energy we can work for a longer time. Yes or no? In that food, what are the things what are the ingredient? Okay. So suppose rice is a rice, or suppose you think roti. Okay. Roti is a what? It is a food. Okay. Yes or no? So in the food, what are the ingredient? Ingredient means, already I discussed the raw material, or what are the, what you need to prepare a roti. Okay. So means what you need to prepare roti. This is atta. Yes or no? Then salt. Yes or no? Then water. So all these are called water. These are called what? Ingredient. Yes or no? These are called ingredient. Yes or no? So these are the raw material which are required to make roti or chapati. So in that ingredient, okay, in the ingredient, some nutrient is there. Okay, in the ingredient, some nutrient is there. So this nutrient, okay, so in that nutrient some component is there. Okay. So first we will discuss what is the nutrient. Okay. So write down. Okay. What is the nutrient? Okay. Write down what is the nutrient. Nutrient. Okay. So tell me what is nutrient. So already discussed the what, the ingredient and the food. Okay. So nutrient. So nutrient are the substance. Okay, which contain food. Okay. Nutrient. Right. Nutrient. Nutrient are the substance. Okay. Okay. Which contain food. Okay. So it help in the growth. Yes or no? Growth, development. Okay. Growth. So nutrient are the substance present in the which contain food. Okay. So it help in the what? It help in the growth and development. Okay. Growth, development, and maintain the body structure. Yes or no? So nutrient. Okay. So nutrient are the substance. Okay. So we are eating a rice, supposing roti. Okay. In roti, what are the ingredient? So ingredient, the atta, salt and water. In that atta, salt and water, some nutrient is there. Okay, so these nutrient which help in the for the growth, development and maintain of our body structure. Yes or no? So in our the nutrient, okay, so the nutrient are divided into how many types? It is 5 types. Okay, write down types of our nutrients. Okay, types of a nutrient. So nutrient are divided into 5 types. Okay, so first I will write one formula. In that formula, one trick. Okay, in that trick you have to remember the 5 nutrient. Okay, so write down. Mary prefer. Okay, Mary prefer chocolate over fresh vegetable. Okay, fresh vegetable. Okay, so this is the trick. Okay, so how Mary means mineral. Okay, so it is one is mineral. Then prefer means protein. Okay, prefer means protein. Then C means what? Carbohydrate. Okay, then trace means fat. Okay, then V for vitamin. Yes or no? So 5 become na. So 5 become na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how to remember the types of nutrient? Mary prefer chocolate over fresh vegetable. Okay, so here M for what? Mineral. P for protein. C for carbohydrate. And F for fat. And V for vitamin. Okay, so in that way you have to remember. It is a easy way. You have to remember the 5 nutrient in our food. Okay, so this is the trick. You have to remember this 5 nutrient in your food. Okay, so next come to the types of food. Okay, it is over. So come to types of food. Okay, so food are divided into mainly 3 types. Okay, so food are divided mainly 3 types. Types of food. Okay, so food are divided into how many types? It is 3 types. Yes, so one is what? What is the energy giving food? Okay, energy giving food. Then body building food. Okay, body building food. Then protective food. Okay, so the food are divided into how many types? So food are divided into 3 types. One is energy giving food, then body building food, then protective food. Okay, so now let's just discuss what is the energy giving food. So carbohydrate and fat, these are called the energy giving food because it provides instant energy to our body, so we can work. Okay, we can work for longer time. Yes or no? So body building food. Okay, so what are the body building food? It is a protein. Yes, where we get protein? We can get protein from the dal, moong, fish, paneer. Yes or no? So in this food, protein are very richly available. Okay, so these food are called body building food because this food help in your growth and development. So in child, okay, in the when you are in child, at that time your parents are providing more protein food because why? This food help you in the grow. Okay, so third one is protective food. Okay, protective food means these are called vitamin or minerals. Okay, so vitamin and minerals, so many vitamins there are, vitamin A, B, C, D, B1 like this. Okay, mineral and like this phosphorus, magnesium, okay, iron. So these are called minerals. Okay, so now one by one we have to discuss what is the energy giving food. Okay, so make a line. Okay, so here energy giving food are divided into again two types. Okay, so energy giving food are divided into two types. What is this? One is the carbohydrate, another is the fat. Okay, so carbohydrate, then another one is the fat. Yes, so the energy giving food are divided into two types. One is the carbohydrate, another is the fat. Okay, so the body building food, it is the, where we get from two sources. Yes or no? From body building food means protein. Okay, so where we get from, one is from plant, another is from animal. Yes or no? So tell me example of the bodybuilding food which we get from the plant. Okay, so it is in moong. Okay, dal. Okay, beans. So these are all bodybuilding food. Okay, where we get this food from the plant. Tell me the example of bodybuilding food which we get from the animals. It is paneer. Yes or no? Paneer. Then fish. Okay, then what? Paneer, milk. Okay, so these food we get from the where? Animals. Yes or no? So protective food. Okay, so these protective food are divided into how many types? So the protective food are divided into two types. One is the vitamin. Okay, vitamin. Another one is the mineral. Yes or no? So the protective food means vitamin and mineral. Okay, so the protective food are divided into how many types? Vitamin and mineral. So tell me the two food name where we get from the vitamin. So it is amla. Yes or carrot. Yes. So tell me some food name where we get minerals. What is it? Fish. Yes or no? Milk. So this food, from this food we can get the vitamin and the mineral. So this is the about the types of food. Okay, so energy giving food. So food is divided into how many types? It is three types. One is the energy giving food, then body building food, then protective food. So the energy giving food again are divided into two types. One is the carbohydrate and another is the fat. Okay, so then body building food where we get, so we get from the, okay, we get from the two source. Okay, two source. So one is the plant source, another is the animal source. So plant source, it is the moong dal or beans. Okay, so these foods we get from the plant. And animals, so paneer, fish, chicken, so we are getting from the animals. Then protective food are divided again two types. It is the vitamin and mineral. Yes or no? So this is the about the this is about the types of food. Okay, then let's discuss the carbohydrate and fat. Okay, so carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate. Okay, so these carbohydrates are they are called energy. They are called energy giving food. Okay, energy giving food. Okay, how? So in the time of game, okay, running, okay. So before they provide the glucose in your mouth. Why? Because these are the carbohydrates. Because why? Because they provide instant energy. Suppose you are very hungry and you need food, okay. So at that time you suddenly, if you feel very hungry, you suddenly take any sweet food, okay, chocolate or some sweets. So what will happen is suddenly it stop your hungry. Yes, no? Yes or no? So these carbohydrates are the energy giving food, okay, because they are high energy giving food. So because in this food, okay, in this food, so 70 to 80% okay, carbohydrate is there. So tell me example of a carbohydrate food. It is a rice. Yes or no? Rice, wheat. Yes or no? Then papaya, sweet potato. Yes or no? Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Okay. So many. The food which look like the food which taste is sweet. Okay. So these food are called carbohydrate food. Okay. So many example in there your textbook. Okay. You can go through this textbook and read and explore your idea. Okay. So this carbohydrate okay food, it is stored in the muscle and liver. Okay. It is stored in muscle and liver. Okay. So because in muscle, okay, so because when we working hard work, so muscle provide energy, because in that muscle carbohydrate are stored already, and the liver, okay, in below the stomach, okay, from the stomach it is left side liver is there. In that liver, so carbohydrate also present. So come to fat. Okay. So as compared to carbohydrate, fat also provide more energy. Okay. So fat providing, okay, providing more energy as compared to carbohydrate. Yes or no? So as compared to fat, okay, as compared to carbohydrate, the fat providing more energy. Okay. So tell me, fat are it is deposited in the adipose tissue, okay, in our body. Okay. So one tissues they are called adipose. Okay. So when you go the higher standard, you will know about this. Okay. So now just you will heard this adipose tissue. So in that adipose tissue, the fat are so tell me example of fat food. Okay, the food where we get fat. Okay, so all oily food. Okay, groundnut. So these food contain high number of fat. Yes, so it is all oil. Okay, all oil means sunflower oil, mustard oil, soybean oil. So many oils is there na, coconut oil. So all these oil, so it contain what? Fat. Yes or no? Then on groundnut, okay, groundnut and only nuts. So and ghee, okay. So ghee. Then okay. So in this food, okay, in this food it contain high number of fat. Okay. So this is about the carbohydrate, fat and protein. Okay. So okay, so it is over. Then come to fat. Okay, sorry, fat is over. Then come to protein. Okay. Where we get from protein? So we get protein from where? Protein food. Okay. So protein, where we get from protein? We get from protein two sources. One is plant, another is animal. Yes or no? So tell me the food we get, which is all. Tell me the food name. These are protein. What we get from the plant? It is the dal. Okay, moong. Okay, then beans, peas. Okay, then beans. Okay, so these are protein. Highly protein is there. We get from the plant. Okay, tell me some food name which we get from the animal. So it is a paneer. Yes or no? Paneer, milk. Yes or no? Paneer, milk. And tell me so many examples is there. Huh? Then fish. Okay. So these food contain what? Protein. Yes or no? So this is about the food and the nutrient. So these are the, we have 5 nutrient in our food. Okay. So what are there? Mary. Okay. Prefer. Mary prefer chocolate over fresh vegetable. Okay. This is the trick. In that trick you will find the 5 nutrient in our food. So these 5 nutrient, first one is a carbohydrate, fat, protein, then vitamin, mineral. Yes or no? So these are the example. Okay, already I explained the fat food. Fat, the carbohydrate are called the energy giving food because it provide instant energy to our body. Then fat. So fat are the more as compared to carbohydrate. Fat provide more energy. So all oily food and groundnut and nuts are come under fat food. Okay, so protein are called the body building food because it repair our body structure. And all the moong dal and some animals like paneer, milk and fish, from these animals we can get the protein. Yes or no? So this is about the protein. So in the next video we will do the some activity for 3 activities there. In that activity we will discuss how is there starch or protein fat is present in food. Yes or no? Okay. So this is about the about food. So next video I will discuss about the test things. So good. Thank you. Have a nice day.